Prasad, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I can hear you.
How are you?
Good, sir. Good, sir. I appreciate that you could to have your time, sir. It's really an honor that I've been hearing you from last June,
Okay.
and yes, sir. It's a great honor actually to talk to you.
It's so nice to connect with you, and it was so wonderful to read your email. I just wanted to sync up and connect with you, and of course, congratulate you on doubling your salary package.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
I
sir.
wanted to understand a little more about what from the program helped you and how you went about this whole experience.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, yeah, first of all, I'm really thankful that you, I don't know, I was really nervous. I'm still sweating because, to be very honest, from last this 3 to 4 months, I joined your level one in June.
Hmm.
And then in July, I joined the level two. And since then, every week I have been going through your mastermind call. So this was, and then the gym activity. This has really, changed my life, and I somehow didn't know how to thank you, because this is something which has really changed a lot in my complete mindset. Mindset is a word that keeps me going around in my head a lot. Okay, and then I'll start with like getting to this session. I'll just start that how I converted for this opportunity.
Thank you for
First
those
of all,
kind words first. I
yes, sir.
really appreciate that. I'm glad it was of
Yes,
value
sir.
to you.
Yes, sir. And I have learned this gratitude from you.
Thank you.
This was actually missing. I learned this gratitude from you. So why first of all, why did I start with this program? So till now I have completed my 12 years of experience in this complete career. And out of this 12 years, 10 years were moreover on the side of manufacturing and design. And in those years also, I was not able to break the shackle of my career and go on to a leading position.
Hmm.
I started my job at the age of 21 on the basis of my diploma. And it was very, like, I was not that much mature, but from day one I gave 100% to whichever company I worked in.
Great.
And therein I did coordinate with a lot of people. I supervised a lot of people, but somehow it did not convert into the salary, the take home salary, and the positions also.
Great.
And one major feedback which I used to get from the owner or the MDs is that you are a good person, you do very well, but something lags, that in terms of your education. So based on that, I completed my engineering also while doing this full-time job. So what I used to do is I was employed with this existing company, and therein I got an help from the HR head and from my department head that you can complete your engineering. And same I did with my college dean also. I asked him that I'm going for a full-time degree, so is it possible for you to allow me to do my job? So this
Great.
is how I converted this, and I completed my degree in 2015. Apart from that, in 2015, I had planned to do my masters and somehow do my. I wanted to be a scientist, and a scientist in the field of non-conventional energy sources. Somehow, but due to my personal problems and financial issues, I continued my job and I did not do it. And So in this prevalent 10 years, the major backlog or the problem that I had in my mind is that I always knew that I can lead up in the top position, but I was not able to break the shackle. And my salary was very, very low.
Great.
You can see that up till 2018, my salary was just 4.2.
Great.
And apart from this, then in 2018, the current MD of this company, I just had a small conversation on him with him, and I said that, sir, I have been working with this company from so many years, and I have been doing extraordinary in my field. But unfortunately, my boss says, and the HR also says that, unless and until you show your effort in profit making in the company, you won't get a desirable position. So I said, what should I do? So he gave me this opportunity of becoming a sales manager, after sales manager, and I used to look after as a regional sales manager for West region and the East region. That is the Maharashtra and the Kolkata and Chandigarh and all those parts, west part
Right.
of this country.
Hmm.
And therein I doubled my salary from 4.2 I shifted to 8.73. And in the first year itself, wherein my MD had not given me a target, but I had completed a local business of 8.2 crores and 3.8 million euros for the global business. And this was exactly half in the previous year.
And what industry again? Just so you know.
I am working in the field of turbo machineries. These are the compressors and the gas turbines, steam turbines
Right. So it's an
that are
industrial
used for
business.
the. It is an. You can say I am into an OEM business, original equipment manufacturer,
Sure.
and these are pretty heavy machines used in the chemical industries, in the oil refineries, and
Okay.
in the sugarcane industry and the petrochemical industries.
Got it.
So these are machines in which, if you crack down the business, there is a huge volume. As of now, the business volume of India is 224 million USD for
Hmm.
the turbo machinery. So it is a huge volume.
Hmm.
And but still, then I was denied the position higher up. I did very good in the last 2 years, and this year, since Corona, the pressure and the working technique of company suddenly changed a lot.
Hmm.
And then I decided that it's high time. 12 years of experience and the salary is not denied.
Right.
So this is where you came in, sir. And
So you were feeling stuck because despite bringing in the quantifiable results, you were
yes,
not getting the pay grade that you expected to be
yes,
at.
sir. Yes, sir. And this has been repeatedly the same things since starting of my career.
Hmm.
One thing was there, that whichever company I worked, I directly either had a direct conversation with the MD or the GM.
Right.
So because, and then I always came to knew that it is very easy for me to get to these people, but it is not somehow converting into my beneficiaries.
Right.
So yeah, and
So then how now you came into the program in June, and as you went through level 1 and level 2, what were some of the big moments for you? What was some of the learning that you were able to apply for the opportunity now?
yes, sir. So when I completed level one was very good. When you gave the overview, I worked a lot, but somehow it was not convincing to my mind that the work that I have done in level one will get me a red diamond job.
Hmm.
This was very sure. So and secondly, I was working long hours as we are working from home,
Right.
and the business is currently stuck up with all the chemical or petrochemical or all these process industries. So the business is was getting very stressful. So I was working long hours, 8 in the morning till 8 in the evening, and I
Hmm.
have a 3-year-old baby and a wife. So it was, I was thinking that okay, unless and until you commit to the level two, you cannot do this. So then I decided that okay, now you should go for level two, and let's see what will be the result. And I was hesitant in the part because if you remember, it was a mastermind call in 24th of June, and I asked a silly question to you that what is the success rate for the people who have taken his level two? Because I really did not have that much money. To be very honest with you, sir, I really didn't have that much money because my major liability today, as of today, is my rent and everything.
Of
So
course.
and somehow when you are not in the right mindset, one of your mindset in one of your mastermind call, you also told the same thing, that you think a lot, you have a fear of failure. That one mastermind call was actually one that brought a lot of change in me, that
Hmm.
we fear a lot, we are brought up in this way that we fear a lot. So I've joined the level two, and in level two, if you remember, I had sent you a mail last month, wherein I have completed master like the level two till the 14th chapter. That is, if I'm not wrong, that was till just a moment.
I think that's up to
till
business situation summary and all.
yes, a business situation and wants, getting
Right.
to the power vortex and the wants.
Correct.
And somehow I was stuck in the power vortex and wants. My ikigai report told me that you should be at a leading position,
Hmm.
and my major interest till now had been entrepreneurship. Somehow I had kept a goal in 2008 itself, that at the age of 40 I should be entering into my own business, and it should be a quantifiable business. It should not be a small scale startup that is a local restaurant or a shop.
Hmm.
So yeah, somehow I felt that I had this entrepreneurship skill in me, and I used to always work in that direction, and I was able to convert this excellent business because of the same thing.
Right.
And another thing which clicked into my mind was during the gem. During the gem, there were two specific meditation. One was for the purpose of your life. Again, it is covered in Ikigai. But when I was this complete journey of meditation, and when I did this purpose of your life meditation, that to find what is your soul purpose, and then to also heal what has happened, because that two major meditation sessions were life changing, because I was also bullied a lot during my diploma days. I was bullied a lot during my school days. Somehow I used to, like, I am the only person from my family who studied from the English medium school in Aurangabad.
Hmm.
And my parents, even though they belong from a middle class or lower middle class, they could hardly bear my fees. But somehow my father and mother, they put me in the top class school in Aurangabad. So
Right.
wherein my all the friends were from a top entrepreneurs of Aurangabad, or MLAs or MPs, and the top doctors. They were the kids from those background. I was bullied a lot in those days. I was bullied after that, because coming from that friend circle to a local friend circle during my diploma, it
Hmm.
was a major problem. So somehow that healing helped me a lot
Hmm.
in gaining the confidence, and finding out that what actually I have done in 12 years. Major thing, when I completed, coming back to the program, when I completed till the step 15, till the wants and the power vortex, I was able to create my one pager.
Right.
Okay. And I did not even create my approach letter yet. I created the one pager, and I had done the at least the preparation, what should be the answers, what should be your strength. Then coming back to the strength, then again, when you say strength, my major five strengths were all into the influence and the belief. That is the connectedness, belief, significance, and values. These were
Right.
my strengths, which again directed me to a direction that you should be in a leading position.
Right.
And another angle that I have is I am a humanitarian. I always believe in respecting the person sitting in front of you, no matter he is a watchman in front of you, or he is the MD of the company.
Right.
And this helped me. Coming back to the program, after that I was stuck, and in between this time period, the pressure situation in my office continued the same thing. So I
Right.
was not able to give the dedicated time, even though I have created my schedule from morning 7 a.m. to night 10 p.m. But still, I was not able to dedicate the time to get a quantifiable result from this remaining chapters. So
Right.
when I did this till the one pager, fortunately, in one day, I had gotten uh, published notification for the assistant business head for one of the job scenario. Now, looking at my position, my current position is assistant sales manager, and
Hmm.
from assistant sales manager to get a assistant business head is actually a jump of 4 to 5 positions, which is not possible.
Wow.
Yeah, because the position of assistant business head is the business head who is responsible for the new sales, after sales, for the administration, and the workshop.
And this is in similar sized companies. I mean, the
Yes, sir.
top line is very similar between the two
Sir,
companies.
this is a company. I don't know if you know this name. This is a company called Bhatia Brothers.
Yes, I've heard of the organization. They have an international component to their business also, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, they are as of now they are active into Middle East only. That is Dubai, UAE, Oman, Qatar, Kuwait, and
Right.
in UK. And this
Right.
company was started by Mr. Bhatia 100 years ago. And he is into all kind of businesses, not only in the oil and gas sectors, but he's also into consumable electronics. So their product line is basically B2B and B2C.
Right.
And as of now, their revenue is around 300 million US dollars.
Right.
It was huge 20 years ago, but somehow, so they have a second part also. Bhatia Brothers has another part also that was handled by the younger brother of this current chairman.
Hmm.
And somehow he had, that company was sued a lot and it went into bankruptcy. And there were several files suited on that company. But
Right.
this larger part of this group is handled by Mr. Ajay Bhatia. He is
Right.
the chairman of this group. So when I, whatever work I had done till now, the one pager, I sent that resume to this published job, to this HR person. And second day or third day itself, I got a Zoom call from the chairman.
Wow. So the resume format worked
Yes.
that strongly for you.
Yes. So it was a one pager. I really don't know if I made it because I'll send it to you, sir, because I was not that much happy with that one pager, to be
Right.
very honest, because it was just some half work done into it. Somehow I my CV was three pages, and I converted into one pager, and I sent it to him. And the first thing he asked me is, why should we hire you?
Right.
So that was already trained from that complete session. I cannot recall all those sentences because I did not mug it up. I
Right.
have never in my life mugged up anything. I have never went through any tuitions in my complete career. So
Right.
I never believed in mugging up the things. So this was somewhat I learned through the course. And when I said to him, sir, these are my what I have done in 12 years, and this is my business, what I have handled in the West region. This is what I have done. This is what is your profile, and this is what I am doing.
Hmm.
So he said, okay, what is your expected salary? I said, look, I have already researched into this profile, and for this position, I would not ask you much, but uh, I told him directly the 3x value, that is 22 lakhs. My
Right.
current salary was 8.73, and I asked him that I wanted to be 22 lakhs. So he
Right.
laughed at me. Why do you think I should give you that amount?
Hmm.
Uh, I said, sir, okay, it is justifiable because the amount of business you are portraying in this, and I gave him the figures. So this is the value of West region. This is the value which I'll be targeting. And apart from this product line, because he was only going to look onto some part of the OEM that is only into the compressor business,
Correct.
wherein wherein my stick had other business values also, that is the turbo machineries of steam turbine, gas turbines. And I said these are the added advantage what I can do. Secondly, you are looking after the after sales, because no matter how good is your new sales, but the cream business is after sales. This is
Yes.
what happens in the OEM,
Yep.
that they will sell the new equipments either in negative margin, but it will give you a value in 10 years, 20 years in the after sales. So I
Correct.
told him, sir, you're targeting in the new sales actually, but what I am targeting is you should look after the after sales also. This is what convinced him. It was only a 15 minutes interview, then it was shut off. Then the head of business, who I had to report, he and the new sales manager, general manager, they took my interview. Then they went through all my career details. Therein I again told them what were my accomplishment in each and every profile, why I should be hired in this profile, and what are the details of my profile, what they have, that what is the wants I want, and what are the STQs that I have, and what I can do for the organization. This is the summary. Then they immediately, those guys said, okay, what do you expect in the salary? I
Hmm.
said, are you going to close it today itself? Are you going to give me a contract today itself? They said, yeah, if you give me a beneficial price, like beneficial, or you can give us a negotiated rates, because they said that we cannot give you as of now the complete amount. I said, okay, I'm not expecting the complete 22 lakhs also. I want a fixed pay and a variable pay. So as of now, Bhatia Brothers does not have a structure of fixed and variable pay. So I said, okay, I understand the current situation is not that good, but whatever I'm expecting, I should have it. So then they agreed for a fixed pay of 14 lakhs and a variable pay of 6 lakhs. This is what it has been turned out.
You have actually, in fact, it's almost 2.5 times
Yes, sir. Yes,
your
sir.
salary.
But I am not counting that 6 lakhs because this is what I'm looking at the execution part. Unless and until I execute it, I'm not looking after that money
No,
because I'm
I think that's
yes,
an intelligent way to look at it.
yes,
But it gives you the incentive to work hard to be able to achieve that extra.
exactly, sir. Whatever goals, important thing is the goal setting. To be very honest, the one pager, the goal that I had set from this year to the next year on 22/7, that is 22 June 2020, I had set a goal that as of now, my finances, my current salary is 8.73. And on 22 June 2021, my salary would be 28 lakhs. This is what I had written in that goal. And I have already accomplished a 20 lakh. So,
Congratulations. That is wonderful to hear. I mean, I can see that you have applied so many different elements of the program,
yes, sir.
especially, the beginning of level two, where you have applied almost every single concept of Steak mastery and then understanding what you bring to the table for an organization.
Yes, sir.
And you've been able to
Yes, sir.
for published roles as well. So,
Yes, sir. And this was a published role. Actually, that was my big concern because, and thing is that I the day I got the job, I really didn't understand. Okay, you because I was looking for a red diamond job.
right,
This was from a published market. Then I'll tell you what is the current situation of the companies that I was looking for the red diamond job. Those companies are either downsizing the market or they are either downsizing their capacities. So that was not beneficial for me, to be very honest. And then why I took up this profile, because first thing, I'll be the business head for the Indian division. I'll be starting the business in Maharashtra, and further, if I perform well in 1 or 2 years, I'll be the complete business head in India. So this is the opportunity that I have. Second thing, it is a family-owned business, and their major business is the properties. That is, they're into real estate. That is the backbone of Bhatia Brothers in the Middle East. That is the
right.
backbone of their industries. So they are, even they do not show, but their financial aspect is very strong. That is why Mr. Ajay Bhatia and this Bhatia Brothers survived, even though their younger brother sued a lot.
Right.
So I looked in that. Third thing is, the final interview, when the fourth interview happened, and the chairman said, "What do you want?" I told him only one thing, that sir, no matter what happens, no matter whom I report, I want a direct connect with you. So he said, I don't have an issue with that. And then, are you also going to give me a free area? That means, if are you going to give me the freedom to extend this business to other profiles also, because this is what I think I can bring in table. And are you going to give me a freedom to hire my people, because I know I have been in 12 years in this industry. I can understand what is the potential of people. So are you going to give me that? He said, I don't have an issue. It is your team. I'm not going to be the boss. It is your business, and it is how you have to handle it.
Right.
So this is how it happens here. And
Excellent.
now I have the contract. I have the contract in my hand. So the day I got my contract, the first thing I did is I sent a mail to you, and I said, okay, if, even though you don't have a time, I have won this gem session. I want a call with Mr. Savant. Because somehow I wanted to share, because it gets overshadows during my mastermind call. And I understand this is not a personal call. There are hundreds of people whom you have to guide. So I thought that this is the best platform to get to you.
Certainly. No, well, first of all, congratulations again, Prasad.
Yes,
I
sir.
am very proud of the way you have used the learnings because, you
Yes.
have been able to utilize them in a manner where you've created very deep personal change to be able to bring this about.
Yes, sir.
Um, and the runway in front of you with this particular opportunity is just massive. To
Yes, sir.
grow from here in looking at an organization that is financially stable and helping them establish an India presence, starting with Maharashtra,
Yeah.
and that role to have a scope to then grow pan India, not just across one product line, but across multiple product lines. This is
Yes.
a fabulous opportunity.
Yes,
So,
sir. Yes, sir.
and the fact that it gives you 2.5 times your salary,
Yes.
that is another wonderful thing.
Yes, sir.
Furthermore, it gives you a direct connect with the managing director of the company. So, I could not be more proud of the way that you have played the game.
Yes,
And
sir.
one question: what did you think of all of the mastermind calls? Were they helpful to you?
I did not miss any. I did not miss any. To be very honest, I remember each and every mastermind call. Unfortunately, some of them I had missed because many of my family members, they went through this Corona situation. Then my kid or my wife was not well. Some I missed, but each and every mastermind session, it has a learning. It has a deep learning, and it actually could turn out to be a single lecture or a single training from that mastermind. Even though they are 3 hours training, but they are a single what you say course, different course that you can set up, to be very honest, because there is one session that I remember, which I was thinking hard when I did not get this opportunity, and when I was stuck up in the 15th chapter, that was on the entrepreneurship. I was looking after it so much, and when you give the detailed of what you can contribute and what are the companies, like what you can do in different field, that is somehow very much enlightening, because this is the you don't get these things in market. No one will teach you unless and until you have gone you had your education from a top business school, or unless and until you had a business background, you won't learn this thing. So that was which changed a lot. And the habits thing, because I must say that the major issue that I had, we always talked about the strengths, but the weakness what I was looking was procrastination. This
Right.
was the biggest weakness which I carried, that I used to get frustrated a lot, because when the things did not turn out, because I used to put a lot of effort. I'll tell you that when I started my career at the age of 21, I used to go from home at 6 o'clock in the morning, and I used to return at 12 in the midnight, or 1 in the midnight. And in that first company also, it was a company owned by a US based company called AJ Rose.
Mm.
And that MD, he had directly called me upon in one of the, because I was at the one of the most junior level, but he used to see my work. And this is how I went through my career. But somehow when it does not convert, you get frustrating, you get procrastination, and you do not complete your task. So one thing, that habit changed, important, that mastermind call you say of habit, that
Mm.
is a changing thing, to be very honest. And I was a vegetarian, vegetarian you may say. I used to consume eggs, but I left eggs also. And when I followed this complete plant-based diet, it was amazing, amazing, to be very honest. It was amazing. And the meditation part, because today also, whenever I get a free time, I do a meditation. And even my wife also followed me up. She's also an industrial electronics engineer. She's not working from 2 to 3 years because of our baby,
Right.
but she's also looking forward to have a career. So I have asked her that okay, after this January, you should also join this session, and you should also join the classes with Mr. Savan Kapoor, and let us see how it will turn out. So this is how it has been journey.
I appreciate that. And what would you tell people who are looking for career coaching? Would you recommend this kind of a program to them?
To be very honest, from the day I have received my contract, I have asked 8 people to work on their profile, and the way they can work is go through this career coaching.
Right.
And I had a look in the current company also. I have a very good connect with each and every person. The boss I am reporting, the HR manager also. And this HR manager, because I asked him, okay, I have got this opportunity and I have to be relieved immediately, and I have to join this second business immediately. So he asked me on a personal front, yeah, Prasad, do you really think you want to leave this early? What is the reason? I told him, look, boss, I have received this offer, I have received an offer of a very influential position, which I cannot deny. So you have to leave me. So he was stunned because why did you get, like, how did you get this? So I told him this is the procedure how I got this. So he said, how did
No,
you learn this?
I mean,
Even I want to. He's a 50-year-old guy. This is an HR manager, and he's asking me that you teach me what is this method. I
you
told him, okay,
learned in the program.
yes. So I told him, okay, I'll teach you. What you have to do is go on this site. This is Mr. Savan Kapoor. Go on his site and take up this program. He's a 52-year-old guy, and he has been working as an HR manager in our company from 2005.
Hmm.
So this is the feedback that I am getting, and this is the same thing which I'm telling all the people who are actually, you know, shocked, you may say, because the thing is that people have this perception. I have been telling many people from the start of this pandemic that this is a big opportunity. You know, yesterday's my mastermind called. You told that what is the investment that has been done in this all internet tools, and
Right.
not only internet tools. I'll tell you, sir, uh, on this process industry also, because I went through a lot of research in the month of May and April, and I'll tell you the chemical industry, the process industry, the steel industry, and the oil and gas industry of India, they are going to grow in the rate of 23% to 58% till 2030.
Wow.
And so there are going to be a lot of hell opportunities today also in published or non-published job. There
Right.
are many opportunity, but it is not the problem with the companies, but it is problem with the employable people, and they need a guidance. They need a guidance. Yes, because people, because I broke this shackle only because of you. That is, and this is, if you look, I'm still not convinced with this offer what I have got, because that has come way easily to me, way easily to me. I'm still looking for my, and I was looking forward. One important thing why I was looking forward to this call is, I'm sorry I'm taking your much time, sir. It is more than 20 minutes. You're very busy, but I don't know when I'll get the next chance to talk to you. Important thing what I'm looking forward is execution part. I have
Yeah.
gained this opportunity, but I want to execute this, and I want to execute this convincingly. Yes.
And that is where I would suggest that you now move your focus to level 3. So
Okay.
you have level 3
Okay.
free with your level 2. So start
Yes, sir.
watching level 3 because you will need it. Because level 3
Yes.
talks about how to plant deep roots and become indispensable in this new
Hmm.
role, in this new organization. See, you've put in a lot of effort to be able to create this 2.5x package and this wonderful opportunity for yourself. And then, you now have to be able to learn how to sustain it and grow it.
Yes,
So
sir.
that is what
Yes, sir.
level 3 will do. So I want you to get started with level 3 immediately.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am looking forward to it, and whenever I have any question, because I can see that I'm looking forward. You know, what plan I have made is in my 5-year goal is that at the age of 37, that is 5 years exactly from now on, I have to target a role of MD. I know it is tough. I know it is, but somehow I'm going to put it on paper. Somehow I'm going to learn through this Red Diamond job, and I'm going to achieve it. So yeah, I am looking for that sustenance and execution part. Yes,
Excellent. Well,
yes,
continue to build the momentum that you are achieving in your career.
yes, sir.
It's now a very serious time for serious people to create some proper solutions.
Yes, sir.
And you have the canvas in front of you. Now you
Yes,
have
sir.
to create a beautiful masterpiece.
Yes,
So
sir.
now it is all about the execution. And I wish you all the very best. Great.
Surely, sir.
Excellent. And Prasad, if there's anything else, you know where to reach me. You can always send me an email. I'll be happy to respond. And I
Yes, sir.
am always here to support you. And I
Yes, sir.
hope that you are well. I hope your family is doing well. I
Yes,
could
sir.
hear your baby in the background.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
I hope, is it a baby boy or a baby girl?
It's a baby boy. He's a 3-year-old boy. So
Right.
yes, sir.
Excellent.
Yes,
Well, my best wishes to your family and stay in touch.
yes, sir.
And congratulations once again on this great new opportunity.
Thank you a lot, sir. And it's an honor to have a discussion with you, to have a talk with you. And I look forward, maybe the time comes that I can have a small meet with you, and as I've recently started tasting wines, so maybe I'll have a wine with you because you are the specialist in this field. And yeah, I'm looking forward, sir. Maybe
Excellent.
I become at that level that I could have some, special time with you, because I can feel it that you are one of the enlightened soul. So I really look forward to achieve it.
Thank you. I appreciate that, and I look forward to that time as well.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot.
Take
Have a
care.
good night, sir, and wishes from me to your family and sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I
Okay,
appreciate
sir.
it.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.